The Moto-Chenille Mercier is a unique and innovative tracked motorcycle designed by Swiss inventor Adrien Mercier in the late 1930s. Mercier, working in Bois-Colombes, France, aimed to create a versatile vehicle capable of handling rough terrains, particularly for military use. The motorcycle featured a distinctive design where a track replaced the front wheel, enhancing its off-road capabilities. The Moto-Chenille Mercier was equipped with a 350 cubic centimeter Prestwich Industries engine, which provided around 10 to 11 horsepower. This engine was air-cooled and featured a forced cooling system with a fan directing cold air through a curved tube to the cylinder fins. The motorcycle could reach speeds up to 52 to 55 kilometers per hour, approximately 32 to 34 miles per hour, making it suitable for various terrains, including hilly landscapes and rural dirt roads. However, it struggled with serious off-road challenges like fords or marshy areas. The motorcycle utilized a 3-speed Soyer gearbox with a manual clutch system, which improved its adaptability and control. The engine was started using a kickstarter, standard for motorcycles of that era. The main construction was concentrated at the front, with the engine mounted on the front fork, while the long rear section consisted of a frame with a fuel tank, footrest, single-seat saddle, and a rear wheel measuring 270 by 90. The track had a large angle of attack, allowing the Moto-Chenille Mercier to overcome high obstacles. The French military conducted the first tests of the Moto-Chenille Mercier in 1936, finding the design interesting and useful. However, the motorcycle's complex steering, which required significant effort to turn the heavy track and power unit, posed challenges. Despite its impressive performance on uneven terrain, the Moto-Chenille Mercier did not enter mass production due to its impracticality for large-scale manufacturing. Only a small batch was produced in several variations, and most were lost during the German occupation of France in World War II. Today, only one example of the Moto-Chenille Mercier is known to exist. The Moto-Chenille Mercier remains a fascinating example of early motorcycle engineering, attracting interest from collectors and vintage motorcycle enthusiasts. Its unique design and historical context make it a notable artifact of pre-World War II innovation in transportation.